Tappy activated. Hi, my bite-sized crypto enthusiasts. Today, I'll transfer very important information: how to create your very own NFT. Creating and selling an NFT sounds complex, but it's actually pretty straightforward. First, you gotta choose your digital media. Let me boost your crypto IQ. Start by picking the type of digital file you want to turn into an NFT. It might be a photo, a song, a painting, any digital media you own the rights to. If you're making one from scratch, use NFT-specific programs like Bueno or NFT-nator, or go for general image programs like Photoshop or Procreate. What are the most popular NFT types? Example protocol switched on. 2D images are great for beginners. 3D images are more advanced and created using programs like Maya, Blender, or Houdini. You can also create GIFs, audio, and video. If you can code, create virtual real estate or land in the Metaverse. An additional info upload. You can make single artworks, NFT collections, memes, or trading cards and collectibles. Now I gotta recharge my battery. See you in the next video. Tappy deactivated.